Hello guys. So I want to show you on how to really analyze the market using patterns. And this is now my thinking. I'm starting from the daily to identify my pattern. Now we are on euro dollar. So actually euro dollar, I can see this ascending channel. So in this ascending channel, now I have been able to identify my pattern at the top of the structure around the area here. You can see we have broken the structure and we are looking for euro dollar to actually see how it will react to this area. Okay, so let's go to the 4 hour to identify how our structure is actually moving. So what do we see here? We see euro dollar give us a first, second, and third touch from here. Let's take structure from here. So we have first, second, third, right? Okay, now what do you have here? First, second, third, and we consolidated this all this way, and then we broke through the trend line. Now we're giving a retest around this area, giving us a pullback of how we are. So now we are broken below this trend line, looking at this consolidation and seeing how it will act in the lower time frame. So now you'll be able to identify your three targets and your pattern in the 4 hour and the daily structure as well. Now let's move to the 1 hour to actually look on how we're going to enter this trade and the direction of it. Now we are looking for it to come all the way down, right? We're looking to come all the way down to the highs we have drawn right here. Okay, and see how price reacts to this area. So let's go to the 1 hour to see how price is actually moving. Good. So now we are in the 1 hour now. In the 1 hour, what do we see? We see price consolidating at the moment. So if I take my trend line and just randomly draw it right here, what do we see? We see an ascending channel being broken. Now looking for a little bit of consolidation at this area to take price lower, right? This is now where we can see the next trend line. So all you need to know, where are we right now? We are now at a consolidation stage in which we have given a deeper pullback. Okay, we're giving a deeper pullback. And now what do we see? We see our first touch, second, then the third touch was to be anticipated here. But as we know, price is not really supposed to get to that area because of this current double top reaction. You can see how it reacted there with this low pressure momentum. Okay, so let's see how we will be taking this trade to the downside. Taking this trade to the downside, we don't really need much about it. Let's go to the 15 minutes to get tighter stops. So now we are in the 15 minutes. In the 15 minutes, what do we see? We see this little bit of consolidation, looking for price to waiting to see how price reacts to this angle here. Either price breaks to the upside or to the downside. Okay. So, but currently, what are we looking for? We are looking for price to actually break lower and give us a reaction below these areas right there. Okay, below these areas right here. So if price reaches here, we will know what to do and we'll see how we'll take price. But if price, the possibility is that price can go back one more up to this area, either break it or give us a double top and reverse to the downside. So let's see how price react on Monday. Let's see how price react on Monday. Then we'll be willing to take price higher. Okay. So this is just how to take a trade on patterns from the daily, 4 hour,